how to play the scale F sharp major with the oboe. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas and today I've prepared a video in which you can learn how to play the scale F sharp major with the oboe. To clarify it for you, I will show each scale in 4 different ways. In the first one, I will show each scale on the pentagram. The second one with an image of an oboe with colored holes depending on each note of the scale. The third one with a code of fingering for each note of the scale that you can make by hand in your own part or a score if you need it. And in the fourth way, I'll play each note of the scale with the oboe. F sharp major, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. This was all for today. I remind you that on the channel you will have a new video every week and that you can leave in the comments here below your suggestions about the content you would like to see in this channel. I will keep that in mind. Share it if you like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get the notifications about the new videos. And you can also follow me in my social network like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I see you very soon in the next video. Bye!